Today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of ginger. This fragrant rhizome is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. But did you know that growing your own ginger at home is easier than you think? In this video, I'm going to share 5 secrets that will empower you to cultivate a thriving ginger patch, whether you have a sprawling backyard or a sunny windowsill. We'll be covering everything from choosing the right location to planting, nurturing, and finally, harvesting your very own homegrown ginger. So if you're ready to embark on this exciting gardening journey with me, grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. The first secret to successful ginger growing is all about location, location, location. Ginger is a sun-loving plant that thrives in warmth. Ideally, you want to choose a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Now, if you live in a particularly hot climate, don't worry. Ginger can tolerate a bit of shade, especially during the hottest part of the afternoon. A little dappled sunlight can actually be beneficial in preventing the leaves from getting scorched. Even if you don't have a ton of outdoor space, don't despair. Ginger grows amazingly well in containers, making it an ideal candidate for patios, balconies, or even sunny windowsills. Just make sure your container is large enough to accommodate the ginger's growing rhizomes. Remember, a happy ginger plant is a productive ginger plant. So, take your time, scout out the sunniest spot in your garden, and let's move on to the next secret. Now that we've found the perfect sunny spot for our ginger, let's talk about the foundation of it all, the soil. Ginger thrives in soil that's loose, well-draining, and rich in organic matter. Think of it this way. Ginger rhizomes need room to breathe and expand as they grow. Heavy, compacted soil can stifle their growth and prevent them from reaching their full potential. To create the ideal soil mix, I recommend starting with a good quality potting mix and amending it with compost, which adds essential nutrients. You can also incorporate some coco peat or vermicast for improved drainage and aeration. One of my favorite tips for enriching the soil is to add old ginger stems to the mix. Simply chop them up into small pieces and mix them into the soil. This not only improves drainage but also adds valuable nutrients back into the ground. The art of watering. Finding the right balance. Watering is crucial for any plant, but with ginger, it's all about finding the perfect balance. Too little water and the plant will struggle to grow, too much and you risk drowning it. Ginger loves moisture, but it absolutely hates to sit in soggy soil. The key is to keep the soil consistently moist without overdoing it. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which can spell disaster for your ginger plants. Root rot is a common issue that can be avoided with proper watering techniques. Here's a little trick. When you first plant your ginger, hold back on the watering until you see shoots emerging from the soil. This helps the plant establish a strong root system. This usually takes a couple of weeks, but it's a sign that the ginger is starting to establish itself. Patience is key during this initial phase. Once the shoots appear, it's time to start watering regularly. Regular watering will support the plant's growth and development. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. This balance is crucial for healthy ginger growth. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply when the top inch or two of soil feels dry to the touch. This ensures the roots get enough moisture. To check the moisture level, simply stick your finger into the soil. This simple test can help you avoid overwatering. If it feels dry, it's time for a good watering. Make sure to water thoroughly so the moisture reaches the roots. If it feels damp, hold back and check again in a day or two. Monitoring the soil regularly will help you maintain the right balance. Planting your ginger from rhizome to roots. Now for the exciting part, planting the ginger. You'll need a fresh ginger rhizome from the grocery store or a local market. Look for plump rhizomes with visible eyes or growing points. These little bumps are key to successful sprouting. Gently break the ginger rhizome into smaller pieces, ensuring each piece has at least 1 or 2 growing eyes. Let these pieces sit out for a day or two to allow the cut surfaces to dry and heal, preventing potential rot. Dig shallow trenches in your prepared soil, about an inch deep and around 20 centimeters apart. Place the ginger pieces in these trenches with the growing eyes facing upwards. Cover them gently with soil and water lightly to settle them in. For an extra boost of nutrients, incorporate a slow-release organic fertilizer into the soil. I like to use blood and bone, which provides a steady supply of essential nutrients over time. Harvesting your bounty from garden to table. Patience is key when it comes to harvesting ginger. This isn't a crop you can rush. It takes around 8 to 10 months for the ginger rhizomes to fully mature. During this time, the plants need consistent care and attention. But trust me, the wait is well worth it. The reward is fresh, aromatic ginger that you grew yourself. You can start harvesting ginger once the shoots are about a foot high. This is usually a good indicator that the rhizomes are ready. Gently loosen the soil around the base of the plant and feel for firm rhizomes. Be careful not to damage them. Remember, ginger is a gift that keeps on giving. With proper care, your ginger plant can continue to produce for years. You can harvest just what you need, leaving the rest of the plant to continue growing. This method ensures a sustainable harvest. This way, you'll have a continuous supply of fresh ginger throughout the season. Imagine the possibilities in your kitchen. And let's not forget the incredible health benefits of ginger. It's not just a flavorful addition to your meals. This amazing rhizome is packed with antioxidants and has been used for centuries to aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and even alleviate nausea. It's a true superfood. So there you have it, everything you need to know to grow your own ginger like a pro. From planting to harvesting, it's a rewarding journey. Now go out there and get your hands dirty. You won't regret it. Happy gardening. Gap 3S. In this bonus chapter, we'll explore some advanced tips and tricks for growing ginger. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these insights will help you maximize your ginger harvest. These include using organic fertilizers, managing pests naturally, and optimizing your harvest for the best yield. Each of these techniques plays a crucial role in ensuring your ginger plants thrive. First, let's talk about organic fertilizers. They are essential for providing the nutrients your ginger plants need to grow strong and healthy. Ginger thrives in nutrient-rich soil, so consider using compost or well-rotted manure to give your plants a natural boost. These organic materials enrich the soil, making it more fertile and conducive to growth. These organic fertilizers not only provide essential nutrients but also improve soil structure, promoting healthy root development. Healthy roots are the foundation of a robust ginger plant. Next, managing pests naturally is crucial for keeping your ginger plants healthy. Pests can quickly damage your plants if not controlled. Aphids and spider mites can be a nuisance, but you can combat them by introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs or using neem oil as a natural pesticide. These methods are effective and environmentally friendly. Regularly inspecting your plants and removing any affected leaves can also help keep pest populations in check. Vigilance is key to maintaining a healthy garden. Lastly, optimizing your harvest for the best yield involves a few key practices. Proper harvesting techniques ensure you get the most out of your ginger plants. One technique is to stagger your planting times, ensuring a continuous supply of ginger throughout the growing season. This method helps you avoid a glut and ensures fresh ginger is always available. Additionally, consider using raised beds or containers to control soil conditions more effectively, allowing for better drainage and root growth. This can significantly improve the health and yield of your ginger plants. By implementing these advanced tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to growing ginger like a true pro. Your garden will flourish and you'll enjoy bountiful harvests. Stay tuned for more gardening insights and happy growing. Remember, a well-tended garden is a source of joy and nourishment.